Y'all get closer. It's all...
Closer?
Yeah, this is like really zoomed in. No!
What we're gonna do, we're gonna make some PVC pipe, like, we're gonna make bongs, which are stabs. Stab equals bong in Korean. That you can hit each other with. So we're gonna beat each other up today. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Master Inoshita did this at Black Belt Camp. She brought some of these, and it was super fun. I really enjoyed that class. So we're gonna try to make them. It seemed really simple. You just need PVC piping, you need duct tape, and you need pool floaties, little noodles. So we're gonna get all those things, slap them together, see if we can make something out of it.
Okay.
Well, I never watched it, but my family did.
Same here. Hey, we were talking about Degrassi. We're gonna get some supplies, and hopefully they won't kick us out for recording in there. You want a grill? You know what? Let's forget the box. Let's do grill.
Yeah, let's get a grill.
Oh man, I actually do want a nice grill. A little bit thicker. Maybe like this. Get the big ones. I wonder if I cut 6 foot of this. Do you think that's enough for kids? Kid size? What about here?
I think that's too much. It needs to be in between what you just said and then that.
So like here?
Maybe a little less.
Here?
No, like less. That looks fine. Yeah. That looks straight. That one's got a thing on the end of it.
Oh gosh. You don't want a thing? I don't think I want a thing. Looks straight to me. There we go. Or do I want the close quarters handsaw?
And whatever one's cheaper.
This one. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, PVC paw. PVC saw.
Ooh, yeah. I mean, do you think that other one will cut through this?
Have you ever used a hacksaw?
No. Okay, well we can get that then. Let me get the price on that one.
Thank you so much. So we're 2110 in the hole right now.
That's not bad.
And all we need is
Noodles.
noodles and duct tape. We parked way over there.
Yeah. We came out at like the farthest point. That's okay. The sun's not too bright out today. Let's see if we can fit this thing in the car. Might have to sit with you and go through the windows.
Yeah, that would be too wide.
Yeah.
No, I never thought of that.
Genius.
All right, we're good.
How did you do this?
Huh? I just stuck it in and down through here.
Nice.
So I have to get in like a NASCAR driver now.
Heck yeah.
Let's go racing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
It's really zoomed in on your face. I'm sorry.
We made it to Wally World, and we're gonna do oh, that's hot. Duct tape and floaties, and once we get that, we should have everything we need.
I know they got duct tape. What are we looking for though?
Duct tape.
Oh, well, it's over there where the electrical tape and stuff is.
Oh.
You know this. So this is it?
Just gotta put the duct tape on this.
It's like,
Come on, focus. There you go. And do colorful. You could do cute colors, but it's twice the price.
20 yards, 55 yards, yeah. Figured there was.
So it depends on if it's worth it for you, you know?
Yeah. I think we're fine.
Yeah. We'll be fine. Now let's go get them noodles, boy.
So, I guess we just need
2?
I would say 4.
4, yeah, you're doing 4 of these. Yeah.
It doesn't work.
1 noodle for each.
1 noodle for each thing. That was 9 something, so we're about $30. $30,
$30.
and we got everything we need. Hey, we're gonna cut the PVC piping to 6 foot, and then the excess hopefully will be enough to make 2 kid-sized versions. So if we do 6 foot, it'll leave enough on the end to make some kid bongs, and hopefully that'll work. Measure twice, cut once, you know, all that good stuff. Safety measures, we put this back on so nobody's getting cut. And now we got adult size and we got kid size. We're a third of the way there. You want to just eyeball it? Like, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah. Now we're gonna stick them on.
So stick them on. Oh, that's perfect. Until like you don't want the filling to come out. Hold up your arms. Okay.
That's nice.
Cool. So that's part 1. That looked like Darth Maul. Alright, let's do it again. It's hot. Ingenuity at its finest.
Yeah, perfect.
Here are our finalists.
So we got them on here, and now so the problem is it's still hard right here, right? So if I'm going against her and I'm doing a stab and it hits her, it's still going to have that hard bone, like that, the PVC. I'm getting way too close. I
Yeah,
apologize.
you are.
It's got that PVC inside of it, and it's going to hit and be painful, right? So we got to cover that up with the leftovers from our other pieces, and then duct tape everything together. And then we will take this toy. You see the sweat on my nose? You see how it's dripping? Hot. And I get British when I turn hot. I don't know why. I can say that I dated a British girl. That's the rules. Them's the rules.
I didn't know those rules.
Don't listen to him.
Don't listen to me, please. Only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now we have them padded on the ends so that they won't be hitting any, like the PVC piping won't hit anyone who are using it if you like stab with it, right? So all we have to do now is literally wrap these entire things in duct tape. After that, it's good to go. finished pieces.
Yeah.
They are complete. We started at 1 o'clock. We started at 1 o'clock. It took us about an hour to get all the supplies. It cost us 30 buckaroos, and it took us about, what time is it?
What time is it now?
3:06. So it took us about an hour to do this.
It's
So
about 2 hours total.
2 hours in total.
It's not bad.
30 bucks. Boom. Let's give these a shot. I'm excited. Ready? She's shut.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is
that all you got?
Let's begin now.
So yeah, the bongs are really great for doing staff sparring, which you never get to do. That was actually our first time doing it. So if you're a seasoned veteran in sparring with weapons, you might be laughing to death at our sparring rounds just now. But hey, it's first time. Anyways,
It was really fun.
not making excuses. It was a lot of fun. That was a ton of fun, and that was a lot more taxing than I expected. Like that was tougher than regular sparring, in
It was
my
like
opinion,
holding weights.
because you had the weight of the bong, and you're blocking it, and you had to absorb that impact every time. Whew, I'm worn out.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can do sparring, and then you can also do drills. Drills where you actually take movements from forms, and then you actually get to hit the person with the staff, which is really cool. Something you don't normally get to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, subscribe,
Give
like,
us likes,
follow,
notification bells.
hit that bell, hit all the buttons, and we're gonna start doing this more. We're gonna try to have one once a week for you. So, thank you for watching. See you around the next one. Peace. Hit it. You can get it.
What's we got?
On a total set.
Toast!